Today I'll be taking you on a tour of yet another amazing Valley of the Sun home for sale in Mesa, Arizona. If this is your first time to our channel, my name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes real estate team, and we make videos all about Arizona. So if you're thinking about moving in or to the Valley of the Sun, all of my contact information can be found below, and we would be happy, actually honored, to get you moving. But for now, let's dive into this beautiful Valley of the Sun home for sale, presented by the Mr. Rogers Homes Arizona real estate team.
Hey everybody, I'm Kelly. I'm with the Mr. Rogers Homes team, and we are at my brand new listing at 1330 East Elton Drive in Mesa. I'm going to take you for a little bit of a walk because I want to show you around and show you a couple favorite things of the home, at least favorites for me. So come on in. All right, so this is my favorite thing about this home. It is known as an Arizona room. The big reason why this is a favorite of mine is Arizona rooms are typically found in neighborhoods that are 55 plus communities, like your Sunland Villas, your Dreamland Villa, communities like that. This house sits in an HOA-free neighborhood. This was once a covered patio that previous owners converted into an Arizona room. Now my clients are using this home as an office and kind of just storage in general, but you can make it whatever you want. You could even convert this into a bedroom if you wanted. There's two ceiling fans for some added cooling in here. And if you look out these two windows, it goes right into the backyard, so you'll see that. And that leads me to my second favorite thing about the home. So come on, follow me. Let's go check out the backyard. This is definitely one of the bigger lots in this neighborhood, and as you can see, there is plenty of room. You can add a pool, a hot tub, pavers, whatever you want. This backyard is just ready for you to do what you'd like to it.
Yep, that's a pretty nice house for sale in the Valley of the Sun, and it could be your home. All you have to do is contact us to set up a no obligation private showing of it or any other home for sale in the Phoenix metro area. Until next time, please take care, God bless America, and talk to you soon.